As a plant-based dietitian and a personal trainer for over 25 years, I've helped thousands of people lose a lot of weight. Here are 3 ways to win at weight loss. Number 1, stay simple. The simpler, the better. So eat really simple foods that you know are good for you. Try to ignore all of the noise outside and just stay simple. Number 2, repetition rules. If you find recipes that fill your 4 buckets, you love the recipe, it satisfies and satiates you so it stays longer, it goes through your GI tract well, and the scale goes down, put that into the repertoire and don't be afraid to repeat. Third, actually solve your emotions. Instead of running to food like we are trained and socialized to do, try finding solutions that will actually deal with what you're trying to deal with. So for example, if you are anxious or stressed, find things that really soothe you, that are relaxing and comforting. Reach out to someone, pet an animal, go out into nature, find things that are comforting and soothing. If you're tired, rest. All the different things that come up, you want to find actual solutions so that you could heal and go through that, and you're not using food in a way that's not going to help with your goals. I hope that helps. Let me know what you think.